what can I say, man? Shout out to eBay. This is the second free pair that I ended up getting from them. This one was because it was their mistake though, but I'll tell you guys more about that a little later. They also sent me some Taxi 12s, like the original ones from 2012, also like around last year by accident. So this is my second pair that I get for free, man. But yeah, today we're gonna be taking a look at the Nike SB Supreme collaboration of 2022. This is the Duhhhh by any means, and it's super fire. All right, so here we have the box, purple box, Nike SB Duhhhh OG Quick Strike, black, white, varsity red, size 11. So this is the part where they messed up. I ordered a size 12 and they sent me an 11, which I could still fit into it, but you know, your boy still hit them up, see what they can do, and customer service, you know, came through. So yeah, man, there it is, the shoe in all its glory. Start off with the outsole, regular jet black outsole with the Nike on the inside. Midsole, you have your white midsole with the white stitching, super clean. And the embroidery work around this shoe was magnificent, to be honest, because I don't even know how they were able to do the skinny letters like that. So let's start off with the front of the toe box. You have your no heart there, no love on the front of the shoe. Toe box looking a little thick. Nike SB, they're usually a little bigger there. Quality of the leather, like I said, Nike SB leather is usually pretty good because it's meant for skaters. It's meant for you to beat it up and wear it a bunch of times. You have black on your toe box, so you have a black toe on here, then white all around the toe. Going on to the medial side of the shoe, not much of embroidery work here. Just have your white Nike swoosh with the black panel behind it. Moving on to the lateral heel of the sneaker, this is where you have probably the most important part. So you have by any means embroidered in the back here. The NY is the different font, obviously, for New York Supreme. So by any means, it's a nice play on words there. By Supreme, you have your Supreme embroidered up here as well. Very dope touches all around this sneaker. You guys can see that embroidery work. It's pretty nice on both pairs. From far away, could barely notice it. This one looks a little weird, not gonna lie. Black leather on the back of the collar. Supreme jean again. Let's take a look at the tongue. You have your Supreme with your Nike check going through it. Very, very dope touch. Like I said, I got these from eBay, so they ended up sending me the wrong size. I had to call up customer service, see what they can do. So the seller actually accepted the return at first and they sent me a label, but then I waited a couple days, you know, just to see if I was gonna keep them or not, because I honestly do fit in a size 11. But then when I saw that price go down, I was like, man, I gotta sell these by any means, no pun intended. And I called to see if I could send it back. They ended up opening up a case for me, but they ended up doing it wrong. It was like buyer's remorse, and under that clause you cannot get a refund, but if the item is not as described, you could get a refund. So that's what I was able to do. I called them up just to make sure that I don't have to send the pair back, and I don't. So I basically got these for the free. World famous on the tag, Supreme Nike, sick shoe. Let's move on to the on feet. All right, so with all that being said, what do you guys rate these Nike SB Duhhhh Supreme collaboration? I'm gonna be giving it a 10 out of 10, man. It's hard for me to not give a 10 when it's a Nike SB, when it's black and white. I love white and black shoes. It just goes with everything. And then the little hints of red, you know, you can dip and dabble with your fit. So yeah, quality seems to be okay. Didn't really expect much. Like I said, these released for like 120, so you really can't expect much from it in the quality sense. They are built like tanks though. All Nike SBs are, because they're made for skateboarding. So these can get a lot of warrants out of me. So that's why I wanted to pick these up, man. And I bought them for 400 because I was desperate, man. I didn't hit when they released on the 3rd. So I ended up ordering them through eBay, and then eBay, I bought a size 12, right? And they have this authentication thing. So what ended up happening is they sent me a size 11. Like you guys saw on the box earlier, they sent me a size 11. I could still fit in an 11, so I didn't mind it. But you know, your boy still hit him up. I was like, yo, what's going on? What happened with my 12? At first, they said that I had to ship this back and then they'll refund me my money, which I was still good because I paid $405 for these in total. And then by the time I received them, they had already dropped to $300. Right now, they're sitting around the $290-ish range. So it basically all worked out in my favor. I was able to get the refund because I had called again to check where the label was. They haven't sent me the label, and then they said that they changed the case something, and they just refunded me my money. So shout out to eBay, man. What more can I say? Like I said, they sent me the taxis. Everything I've gotten from them has been authentic. Just the wrong size, you know, that's the only thing I can say about that. Shipping is pretty quicker than StockX in my opinion. But you guys let me know, man. That's pretty crazy how things happen like that. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Hit a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. GG Kicks out.